Well, it's that time of year to start cleaning up. So I got all my Martin boxes here, kind of taking the bait out and getting them ready to go into storage. Here I got some swelled up bait jugs. Just gonna try that out next year and see how that goes. Got to tidy up the shop. So got started and I thought, this sucks, so I might as well do some videoing. So here's this rack I made this year for drying my furs. Made it so it's got a solid base, and I think it's 5 feet wide and 10 feet long. So I can access the backside here if I need. It's got everything away, and then the weight to the coyotes and stuff like that won't tip it over. One thing I gotta do, I just use screws down here. Next year I'll bolt it and I'll make it so I can take it apart for storage, put it in a shed, put it outside somewhere. Out of the elements, in the front here I have 3 boards like this, so once I start getting more Fisher and Martin, I can just dry them up individually without worrying about leaning against something. Just gives me more room. You can do a pile of muskrats in there as well. Another thing I might do next year is modify this, and on the outside here make it go higher, and then have another cross brace across the top, and so I can just lean the noses against. And then on the back side here I'm going to put some hooks for just some boards on the back side, so I don't have to have a pail like this with different boards here or there. So just something I'm going to try. I'll see if it works. I get to put all the boards away here, and then these boards over here I'm going to modify. I bought these off a guy off Facebook. They're okay, but I'm going to modify them a bit with a narrower face and just try that out and see if I like that. Gives me a few more options, especially start getting bigger catches. You don't have to stop and wait for a couple days before you can start putting them on the boards again, and just kind of keep things changing out pretty good. And get to tidy up the trapping corner there and put things away, make a list of what I need for next year. But yeah, another thing here is this. I don't know if you guys noticed this from the videos. Been wanting to do this for a couple years now, but this comes apart and then you just store it, lay it flat. But I like this because we've seen in that one video for boarding a coyote, you can put the face here, like at the head of the animal, and then have this space across here, and that way your pins on this side aren't getting bent when you flip it over on the legs and at the base of the tail. Gives it enough angle there that it keeps that off. Because before, if you went just straight across, then it would bend your pins and they'd pop out, and this helped out a little bit with that this year. So I thought about it for a little while and I thought, oh, I'll try that. I might actually build another one of these and put it on this table just so it's all up, and then that way I don't have to worry about it, especially if you're doing like Fisher or maybe an otter on there. You need a few more pins, you just need a bit more room to work. So that's going to be some of my projects, and then yeah, just put everything away for the year. So just a little update on the shop talk and see where we go from here. Catch you later.